Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
Question 9, if you want to solve using the kinematics equation, you have to use v equals to u plus at. Now, why v equals to u plus at? Because you want to find the speed, initial speed. Now, you must remember what we always do is we take the initial motion as positive. So since you're moving up, so up is positive. So therefore, from the formula v equals to u plus at, assuming that your initial speed is u, when it comes back, it will have the same magnitude of the velocity or the same speed because air resistance here is negligible. So if air resistance is negligible, if you send it up with speed u, it will come back with speed u but downward, so it's negative u because taking up as positive. And your acceleration of gravity is downward, so it's negative 9.81. Then you times the time 3.2 and then you'll be able to get your u.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with one or two past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.